Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the home screen layout in this device. Okay, so in this device we can see in a row, each and every row we can add 5 up icon. That means we can add 5 columns and 6 rows in this device. Now I said like this. So let me show you how to change the home screen layout. For this, tap and hold on the blank area of the home screen. So here you can see the option layout. Tap on this one. So here you can see some layout you can see here. So here I will show you. Then you can see the change. So now it's 5 into 6. So let me show you 3 column and 5 up icon. You can see. That means 3 column means 3 column. 3 into 5 means 3 column and 5 rows. You can see only 3 column and 5 rows. 3 into 6, 4 into 5, 4 into 6, 5 into 5, 5 into 6. You can see. So simply in this way you can change the home screen layout in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.